Hi, I'm MathYan. For more special mathematics lessons, please click like and subscribe. Okay, this is special multiplication series number 6, part 6. Okay, repetitive dynamics in calculations. Today's lesson is double digit multiply with double digit special method. There are two types. The type A is the opposite. Okay, the ones place digit must be added up to 10. The tens place digit must be the same. This is the condition. Okay. First question. Okay, 23 times 27. Now you see, 3 times 7 must be equal to 10. 2 must be equal to 2. Must be same number. Okay, let's start. 3 times 7 is equal to, use your times table, is equal to 21. Just put out 21. 2 here, you need to add 1, then multiply by this 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is 6, 2, 1. 23 times 27 is equal to 621. Try again, another one. 76 times 74. So you see, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 7 equal to 7. So see, 6 put down. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 7, remember, plus 1. They only multiply with the 7 below. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So it's 5, 6, 2, 4. So 76 times 74 is 5,624. This is the first type. Okay, this is another type. Let's create type B. The condition exactly the opposite. The ones place digit must be the same. The tens place digit must add up to 10. Okay, let's see. Question number 1. 42 multiplied by 62. Now is it 2 equal to 2? 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So now 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But now need to add a 0 in front because to allow 2 digits only. So 4 times 6 straight away, but after that you need to add 2. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2 is 26. So the number is 2,604. So 42 times 62 is 2604. Okay, how about this? 7 and 7 times 37. So 7 the back is the same. 7 plus 3 is 10. So okay, try 7 times 7 is 49. So do not need to add any 0 because already 2 digits. Good. So 7 times 3 plus 7. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus 7 is 28. So it's 2849. 7 and 7 times 37 is equal to 2849. Okay, you can try these questions. This and this. Okay, let's try. 13 times 17. Okay, so 3 times 7 21. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's 2 to 1. This is 6 to 1. For this one, 3 times 7 21. 3 plus 1. 4 times 3. So it's 12. 1 2 to 1. The next one, 3 times 7 is 21. So 5 times 4 is 20. So it's 2021. This one, 9021. So 2 times 8 is 16. 6 times 5 is 30. So it's 3016. So very simple. You add one number in front and multiply with the 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. 72 The last two digits is 4 times 6, 24, 7224. So for this, 6 times 5 is 30, 4 times 6, 24, 3024. It is easy, right? But you need to differentiate the two different types of multiplications. For more special multiplication methods or lessons, please look out for the next video, Special Multiplication Part 7.